So my message for you is that if you need an ebook that helps you out on sketching, about sketching cars correctly, starting from the basics, you can always try to get my ebook Sketching Cars, which is an ebook that has all the tutorials and technical explanations and lots of sketches, black and white color sketches with different techniques, interior as well as exteriors, okay, composition on page and all that stuff to help you out, to have a sort of a guide with you that you can use anytime you have a doubt, okay? Of course, you can always come back and check some of my videos or other colleagues' videos, but if you want to get my ebook, for you that are watching this video and only for you, I'm giving it up for €7 instead of the full price. So it's almost 50% discount. It's very simple. You just send me an email, just read, then you just say, I watched your video and I would like to have your ebook Sketching Cars. And of course, I will send to you that ebook just by email. It's very simple, it's very easy. So it is a PDF format, okay? So that you can have it on your device, you can have it on your iPad and just check it. You can also use some of the images that and sketches that are on my ebook just to trace and sketch your own cars so that you can exercise. Anyway, it's a small price for a very, very big help, believe me. So if you're interested, just send me an email and I will just answer back to you the ebook. Okay? All right, so I wish you to have a very good coming back to school, and starting next week, I will be again very active and live on this channel. Thank you. Ciao. Keep following. If you are new, subscribe.